Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by installing Google Chrome because that's where you'll set Google as the search engine. Once done, open Settings, then Apps, then Default Apps. Make sure you're signed in with an account that can change defaults. You're not changing everything at once. First, assign Chrome to handle HTTP and HTTPS+, HTML and HTML. This step routes links away from Microsoft Edge. Make sure to pause after each assignment so Windows saves the change before you continue. Now in Default Apps, select Chrome and change the defaults for HTTP, HTTPS, HTML and HTML to Chrome. This ensures web links open in your chosen browser. Next, open Chrome, go to Settings, then Search Engine, then Manage Search Engines. Choose Google and click Make Default. This makes searches from the address bar use Google. Once done, test by typing a query in the address bar. You'll notice faster results from Google. Make sure Chrome remains the default for these file and protocol types. Finish by testing. Press the Windows key and search, then type a web query. If results open in Edge, change protocol handlers again or install a small redirect handler app that routes searches to Chrome. Make sure Chrome's Google is still default, then restart Windows to apply all associations. If things go wrong, reopen Default Apps, reassign HTTP/HTTPS and HTML types, and confirm no policy or extension is forcing Edge. If a corporate policy blocks changes, contact your administrator to allow default app changes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.